Hi there. Just making this video to show you how much can be saved by installing solar panels. So this is my system. It's nighttime, it's not generating much, it's the middle of winter. So if you're not really interested in that, I will make another video on that. But at the minute, I have it installed 1 year, 4 or 5 months, September to now January. So a little over a year. So I've got a full year, 2023, full year of generation. And as you can see, my load was 5,369 kilowatt hours and my import was 3,266 kilowatt hours. So my solar has produced over 2,000 units of electric towards my bill, which is a reduction of 35 pence per unit by 2,000, roughly £700, plus my export payment of £160. So got to £900, which isn't bad. So yes, installing solar panels does save you money. I'll just tell you a bit about the system. I have 12 400 watt panels, so 4.8 kilowatt of solar. I've got a 5.1 kilowatt battery and a sunsynk inverter. So that's exactly what my system, and this is what I've generated over the year. This is my system. So it's not generating much for now. If I go to today, go to month, let's go to year, sorry. So there's, well, that's 2023 there. So as you can see, the winter months does not generate much. It's the summer months that make up for it. Like there's the summer months, so April, May, June, July, August. June was the best month by far, 760 kilowatt hours. So this is what you're likely, and I'm not fully south facing, slightly southeast, but I'm near enough south. So that is what you can expect from a 4.8 kilowatt system. Thank you.